How to turn on dark mode on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. So in this video I'll simply guide you on how you can get dark mode on TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the end. It is very simple to get dark mode on TikTok. All you have to do is just open up the TikTok application. Then once you launch the TikTok app, you will see this kind of interface. Just tap on the profile icon from the bottom right. As you can clearly see, I'm on the light mode, right? So what I need to do is, in order to go ahead and then actually switch to the dark mode, I just need to go ahead and then tap on the three lines icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Then I need to go to the option called settings and privacy. Once I go to settings and privacy, here I will find the option called display. So all I need to do is just tap on the display tab. And once I tap on the display button, you can see at the very top light or dark. You can just select the dark option and the TikTok app will be successfully switched to the dark version. Now you can come back and now you can enjoy TikTok in dark mode. And that's all it takes to get dark mode on TikTok. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.